Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a refreshing and colorful Jello Sago fruit drink. A perfect combination of fruity flavors, chewy sago and creamy goodness. This drink is not just delicious but also super fun to make. This drink is packed with vitamins from fresh fruits and provide a cooling effect to the body. So let's get started. First take 2 cups of boiled water and add 1 packet of instant orange Jello powder. Mix well until fully dissolved. Let it cool down, then keep it in the fridge for 40 minutes to set. Now preparing the sago. Boil some water and add 1/4 cup of sago pearls. Did you know sago pearls are a great source of energy and help in digestion? Cook until they become transparent. Drain and rinse with cold water to prevent sticking. Prepare the creamy milk base. In a pan, take 2 cups of milk and stir occasionally. Let it boil, then add 1/3 cup of condensed milk and mix well. Milk and condensed milk contain calcium and vitamin D, essential for strong bones and teeth. Cook for 2 minutes, then remove from heat and cool completely. Now assemble the drink. Cut the chilled jello into small pieces. In a serving bowl, pour the cooled milk mixture. Add boiled sago and jello pieces. To prevent sago from sticking together, rinse it with cold water immediately after boiling. The combination of milk, fruits and jello keeps the body hydrated and provides a cooling effect. Mix 1/4 cup each of apple, green grapes, red grapes, banana and strawberry. Stir everything well and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. The combination of chewy sago, silky jello and fresh fruits make every sip yummy. And there you have it, a refreshing, creamy and fruity jello sago drink, perfect for summer days or festive occasion. Try this at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Enovin Cake and Cookies for more easy and delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!